and welcome to Chemistry Group 52. I am Megan Jackson. And today we will be illustrating the design, construction and calibration of a homemade hydrometer.
Hydrometer is an instrument used to measure specific gravities or relative densities for different liquids based on the principle of flotation. The principle of flotation states that a hydrometer will sink more in less dense liquids than in more dense liquids.
Our hydrometer, we have used recycled reusable materials and we have used distilled water for testing. First off, we cut off the tube to 2/3 of its initial length. Then we mold the pre-stick into a sphere. We then stick the pre-stick to close off one end of the tube so that the tube will have weight. And then we add limestone inside the straw so that the hydrometer will sink properly. And then the final prototype will look like this.
For the calibration of our hydrometer, salt solutions of different densities were prepared and tested. The hydrometer was placed in water so that the density of water could be marked off as 1 on the hydrometer, and this was used as a reference point to compare other densities to this. By keeping a fixed volume of 300 milliliters and by changing the mass of the salt by 30 grams each time, the density of the total solution could be calculated using the formula density is equal to mass divided by volume, where the mass is the total mass of the salt plus water. The mass of the water was calculated using the same formula by using the density of 997 kilogram meters cubed and multiplying it by the volume of 300 milliliters, which is also 3 times 10 to the negative 4 meters cubed. The mass of water could be calculated to 0.3 kilograms. The specific density, which is the ratio between the density of a substance to the density of water, was then used to determine the specific density of each solution, which was then marked off on the hydrometer, which corresponded to the marks on the hydrometer made when the salt solutions were tested. 7 salt solutions, baby oil, vegetable oil, and vinegar were used to produce a fair scale. It is important to keep the weight of the hydrometer constant in order to avoid altering the scale. We also noticed that by using pure water and distilled water, there was no significant difference, but by using distilled water, we got more accurate results. We also recommend using silicone to seal and insulate the bottom of the hydrometer to prevent water from seeping through.
You can see the density of pure water is at 997 kilograms per meter cubed, which is approximately close to 1000 kilograms per meter cubed. And the mark on the hydrometer is at 1, and you can multiply 1 by 1000 to get 1000 kilograms per meter cubed. The mark on the hydrometer is at 1,1, and you can multiply 1,1 by 1000 to get 1100 kilograms per meter cubed.